Welcome, everyone. Today, we're stepping into a whole new world, one that might feel a bit like science fiction but is very real: quantum computing. If you've ever wondered what quantum computers do, how they're different, and why they're said to be the next big thing, then stick around. This video is going to break it all down in simple terms and tell you what's new in 2024. Imagine solving the world's hardest problems in seconds. Sounds amazing, right? Let's find out how it's possible. And don't forget to subscribe for more cutting-edge tech updates. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is quantum computing? While traditional computers use bits, ones and zeros, to process information, quantum computers use something called qubits. And here's the exciting part: qubits can exist as both 1 and 0 at the same time, thanks to a phenomenon known as superposition. Think of it like a coin spinning in the air; it's both heads and tails until it lands. Powerful processing: quantum computers can process complex information at speeds impossible for traditional computers. Unlocking new possibilities, they can solve problems in seconds that would take classical computers thousands of years. Innovation potential: they open doors to breakthroughs in science, medicine, and AI. Quantum computing isn't just faster computing. It's a technology that could change the world. From designing new medicines to solving huge environmental problems, quantum computers have the potential to tackle tasks that current supercomputers can't. Imagine finding the cure for diseases, creating ultra-efficient solar panels, or predicting natural disasters, all faster and more accurately than ever. Revolutionizing healthcare: faster drug discovery for conditions we can't cure yet. Environmental impact: potential solutions for climate modeling and resource optimization. Advanced AI: speeding up machine learning models, making AI even smarter and faster. 2024 has brought some amazing advancements in quantum computing. Companies are pushing the limits, with breakthroughs in error correction, which makes quantum computing much more stable. We've also seen developments in quantum networks, making it possible to connect quantum computers over large distances. Plus, more countries are investing in quantum technology, which means we're closer than ever to seeing real-world applications. Error correction: reducing errors makes quantum computing more reliable. Quantum networking enables sharing quantum data across locations, enhancing power. Global investment: more countries involved means faster development and more applications. Now, you might be wondering, how does quantum computing affect me? Well, it's closer to you than you think. From personalized medicine, where treatments are tailored to your DNA, to more secure online transactions, quantum computing is expected to touch many areas of our lives. Imagine smarter AI assistants, faster internet, and even safer self-driving cars, all powered by quantum computing advancements. Personalized health: medicine tailored to each person's unique biology. Enhanced security: safer banking and online shopping with quantum encryption. Smarter tech: improved AI in everyday devices, making them more responsive and useful. Quantum computing sounds amazing, but it's not without its challenges. For one, qubits are incredibly sensitive to changes in their environment, which can lead to errors. Quantum computers also require very low temperatures, close to absolute zero, to operate properly. So, while the technology is advancing fast, there's still a lot of work to be done before we have stable, accessible quantum computers for everyone. Sensitivity to environment: even minor disturbances can lead to errors in calculations. Cooling requirements: needs ultra-cold temperatures, making it challenging to maintain. Complexity: quantum systems are challenging to build and operate, needing expert care. So, what's next for quantum computing? As researchers keep making breakthroughs, we're looking at a future where quantum computing becomes more reliable, faster, and eventually accessible to industries and maybe even individuals. Some experts predict that in the next decade, quantum computers will work side by side with classical computers in hospitals, labs, and tech companies. We could be seeing a hybrid era where the best of both worlds come together. Reliability for everyday use: improved error rates will make it more practical for businesses. Wider access: quantum services will be available in more industries. Hybrid systems, combining quantum and traditional computers for maximum efficiency. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of quantum computing. We hope this update has sparked some curiosity about the possibilities this tech holds. Quantum computing is moving fast, and it's something you'll likely be hearing a lot more about. So, if you're excited about the latest in tech and want to keep up with these groundbreaking updates, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos on cutting-edge tech and innovations. See you in the next video.